Hello everyone. Our project is fake news detection. So the main goal of our project is to detect if the given news article is fake or real. For this, we implement our project in Python using machine learning algorithms. So first we import all the required libraries from scikit-learn and then load the dataset using the function pd.read_csv. So this is the dataset of size 6335 rows and 4 columns. We then perform data pre-processing where we clean the data by checking for null values in the dataset using function isNull.any. After this, we divide the data into train and test sets, which is in the ratio 80:20, where 80% is train set and 20% is test set. Now we implement TF-IDF vectorizer, which is term frequency inverse document frequency, that defines the importance of a keyword in a web page. We also remove stop words. So these are the words that commonly appear in a web page, such as and, like, and other all punctuations. After that, we implement passive aggressive classifier, which is an online learning algorithm that remains passive for correct classification and turns aggressive for miscalculations. It is used to calculate the accuracy score. So here we get an accuracy of 94.79%. After this, we also implement pipeline utility function, which is used to train data and transform to the text data without doing it individually each time we perform. So even here, we remove stop words first and then apply multinomial NB. After implementing pipeline utility function, we get an accuracy score of 85%. Now we print the performance evaluation table and also the confusion matrix. After implementing these codes, we then go to Spyder and execute app.py code. Here first we input all the required libraries and then load the Flask app. Flask is a web application framework and assign the model variable. And in this part of the code, we receive the URL from user as input and use web scraping to extract the news content, where web scraping is a process of extracting data from websites. After passing the news article to the model, we implement this part of the code to check whether the given news article is fake or real. Here we also use index.html file for the user interface of our project. For this user interface, we also use style.css file to describe the presentation of the website. After executing these codes in Spyder, we then compile these in Anaconda prompt. We now get a URL for our website. So this is the user interface of our project. We'll now check few news articles whether they are real or fake. So this predicts that the news is real. We'll also check for other websites. Now we can see that the news is fake. So in this process we can predict if the given news article is fake or real. Thank you.